Hi, this is a detailed technical video of an Easy Reach in a 2020 Jeep Wrangler 4-door. What this lift does is it takes the factory seat, rotates it out of the vehicle down to about 10 inches off the ground, giving you the ability to have a pretty comfortable transfer height for whatever you might need. And to do that, you have the pendant here. The green button turns the power on or off to the pendant. And you'll notice when I did that, the lever here popped over, and what this does, this latch here, this keeps the seat secured in the vehicle in case of an accident or anything like that. In case you ever lose power to the vehicle and you have to rotate it out or anything like that, you can also utilize that to open it up. So another great feature to this is there's no modification to the vehicle. We use the factory bolt holes to bolt everything down. We do remove the plastic here for the B-pillar. You do have the option of the installer carpeting this. We upholster it. So and then you also see here we have the controller box here. It's got all the lights on there. Pretty much tells you what's going on with the lift, what it's doing, where it's at, what positions. Also, you'll see the red bolt here. In case of losing power, also like that one, you have the ability to raise or lower the lift just by cranking this. There's also another one over here for the rotate release. So this also utilizes the factory connectors for the vehicle. So all your functions for your seat still the same. If you have heated seats, you have power seats, they'll all still function the same way, and it all is with the OEM connectors. So there's no modifications to the vehicle itself or the wiring. And that's everything for this. Thank you for checking out the video.